In today's fast-moving business environments, identifying and managing physical assets requires flexibility. In Yeeflow, we offer three powerful options: Barcode Scan, and NFC, each tailored for different workflow needs. In warehouse or office environments, proper labeling is the first step toward effective asset management. In Yeeflow, you can generate barcode labels directly from the asset list and print them in batches, all in one click. Each barcode value is automatically generated by the system and bound to a specific database field, such as asset code, ensuring uniqueness without manual input or maintenance. These labels act as a digital ID for every item. When it's time for an inventory check, simply open the mobile form and tap Scan. Yeeflow supports multiple scanning modes: automatically scan, select to scan, and scan multiple. No matter which mode you use, Barcode Scan automatically loads and displays all asset details matching the scanned results. No manual typing, no spreadsheets, just scan and update. For high-value assets or equipment requiring regular inspection, NFC is your most secure and convenient choice. In Yeeflow, an NFC tag can store either the tag ID value or specific business data. When a user taps the NFC tag, the system instantly reads the tag content or tag ID and automatically displays the corresponding data in the form. No scanning required, just a quick tap for instant access. With Yeeflow, you can build intelligent workflows that combine the right tools for the right tasks, all without writing a single line of code.